To understand why goodbyes are dangerous, we must look at a dog's survival instinct. In the wild, being separated from the pack means a death sentence. To your dog, you are their ultimate safety. You are their entire pack. When you get ready to leave and show anxiety, your body releases stress signals. This activates the amygdala, the fear center in a dog's brain, pushing them into a fight or flight state. According to MRI brain scan studies published on PMC, anxious dogs experience extreme psychological panic within the first 3 to 7 minutes after you close the door. Cortisol spikes, and since they cannot escape the locked door, they choose to fight by scratching fences and barking frantically. This is not stubbornness, it is a real psychological panic attack. Psychologist Ivan Pavlov is famous for classical conditioning. Dogs are masters at linking human behavioral sequences. The jingling of keys, putting on shoes, all these actions are registered by the dog's brain as a conditioned stimulus. They know that after this sequence, you will vanish. When you combine this with an emotional goodbye, you indirectly reinforce their belief that something terrible is about to happen. Your comfort is what turns a normal routine into a dramatic movie. To heal this psychological trauma, we need two techniques: desensitization and neutral energy in the final 30 seconds. Step 1. Break the meaning of warning signals. When you are free, purposefully pick up your keys, put on your coat, and then set them down. Repeat this so your dog stops linking keys with the fear of abandonment. Step 2. The 30-second neutral energy rule. Before stepping out, follow the three no's: no look, no touch, no talk. When you remain calm, the mirror neurons in your dog's brain will mimic your state to calm down. Step 3. Establish a psychological anchor. Use a short, calm phrase like going to work, combined with leaving an unwashed old t-shirt. MRI scans show that a dog's reward center activates when smelling your familiar scent, keeping them confident to sleep for hours. Changing your own old habits is always the hardest part. But remember, a rational, calm attitude during those last 30 seconds is the true love their nervous system actually needs. Try this tomorrow and leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dog Psychology to understand your dog's inner world. Thank you. Goodbye, and see you next time.